In the modern day, we have entered a new era of technology, an age where human lives are constantly impacted by intelligent systems and machine learning. Keeps up with dynamic enterprise and innovation demand, delivering innovative and comprehensive solutions and services across multiple industries. Producing advanced products based on software development, artificial intelligence, and data science, and applying its comprehensive expertise to solve complex client problems. Qimia seamlessly provides tailor-made solutions to enterprises of all scales, elevating industries to engage with the right next-generation technologies. With 5 different hubs across 3 continents, with a team consisting of more than 120 productive experts located in Germany, USA, and Turkey, and more than 20 years of IT project experience, Qimia continues to leverage the newest technologies to produce unrivaled products and give excellent consultancy, AI and data science, big data and data warehousing systems, cloud development, data engineering, web development, mobile development, and product design, coming together under one roof. Qimia helps companies prepare for the future with cutting-edge technical solutions and expert consultancy. With a deep understanding of modern regulations and technology, Qimia can serve anywhere nationwide. Qimia, to the future together.